If you are looking for a new home in Vero for under $350,000, that is exactly what I'm going to show you today. We're in Venetian Grove here in Vero, and I'm going to show you a 4-bedroom home well under $350,000. Let's go take a look. This is the Harper floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1662 square feet. And the reason I'm excited to show this to you is because this is a brand new home here in Vero that is under $350,000. So we're gonna take a tour of this Harper plan. We're also gonna talk about pricing, cost of ownership, and some crazy incentives that you need to know about right now, especially with interest rates as high as they are. Now, I've got a floor plan right here. This is a DR Horton home, so I'm gonna be referencing this floor plan throughout the video, giving room dimensions and names just as DR Horton lists them. So if you'd like a copy of this to follow along, go ahead and pause the video, and I've got this linked up for you down in the description. Now, this is a 30-foot wide home. So one of the things that you'll notice is the home is narrower, but it's still got a really nice open layout, and it is a split floor plan. So you do have a separation between the owner's suite and the secondary bedrooms. And we're gonna talk a little bit more about some of the different collections that they have here in Venetian Grove between the 30-foot home sites, the 40-foot home sites, what the differences are in the layout. So make sure you guys stick around for that. Now, obviously you come right through the front door. Off to your left was the entrance to the garage right there, but then you come right in. We've got a kitchen, nice open layout to the rest of the home. The home does come standard with quartz tops. You've got a nice single tub sink right here, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. I like how in Venetian, they're offering the nicer refrigerators. They're also putting the cabinet above the refrigerators. If you guys have watched any of our other videos or even looked at other DR Horton homes, you know, a lot of times there's no cabinet above the refrigerator. There's no crown molding on top of the cabinet. So I think what they're offering here in Venetian is a little bit higher end. There's a couple other features that I'm gonna point out as we work our way through the home. But if you are new here, my name is Joey Guest with Team Real Local, and we help people just like you relocate to Florida. And if you are considering making a move here, definitely reach out. We would love the opportunity to connect with you and see how we can help. I've got my contact information right here. And if you're considering new construction, make sure you reach out to us first before you contact the builder so you can make sure you've got proper representation. And we got some tips on how you can get good deals from the builders that they don't necessarily want you to know about. So follow me this way. Let's go ahead and start off with this wing of the home. So this is actually going to be the owner's suite right here in the front. So as soon as you walk in off the kitchen, you've got your owner's suite right here. Now this is listed as bedroom 1 on the floor plan, and this is going to come in at 13.3 by 13.4. So it's a really nice size room. One of the things that I like about some of the finishes here in Venetian is they're doing the 2-panel smooth finish doors on everything. They're doing the flat stock trim. So it's got a little bit more of a modern look. And let me know what you think. Do you like more of a traditional baseboard, or are you digging the flat stock trim? Let me know down in the comments what your preference is. You got 2 big windows right here on each side of the bed. And then the bathroom, dual sink vanity right here. You've got a private water closet, or the think tank as I like to call it. And then you have a stand-up shower here. Now, you do have tile on the surround for the shower. You've got a glass door, but you do have the drop-in shower pan. So standard finishes are gonna be carpet in all the bedrooms. The living area and all the wet spaces are gonna have the Revwood plank flooring. You'll notice there's no pass-through cutouts above the doors right here. So everything in this community, it does have the jump ducts for the AC return. So you don't have this ugly vent up here. I like that. If you guys watch our videos, you know, it's something I like to look at. Little linen closet right here off of the bedroom, and then into the main living space. So they've got this whole area right here combined on the floor plan as the great room. So collectively, between the little cafe area right here and the living space, this entire great room is going to come in at 19.9 by 14.7. You do have a little lanai area off the back right here. We're going to go out there in a minute. I'll tell you more about that. Let's talk a little bit about pricing. So I know I mentioned earlier that this home is under $350,000, but the other thing that I think is interesting about this community Venetian is there's no CDD here. So if you're trying to limit your carrying costs, but still have some amenities. Venetian Grove does not have a CDD. HOA costs are actually pretty reasonable. For the single family homes, it's gonna come in at $207 a month, and that does include lawn care, lawn maintenance. There's also an amenity center, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about the amenities that are coming to this community in just a minute. And there's something else that I think is a little bit unique about this community and the homes that are in here that we're not used to seeing in a lot of planned developments. But before we talk about that, let's go ahead and check out these bedrooms in the back right here. So this room right here, this is gonna be bedroom 4 on the floor plan. And this is gonna come in at 10 by 13.7. You are gonna have a standard closet, nice big window here. All the bedrooms are gonna have a recessed can light right there that's pre-wired for a fan. So if you wanted to take that out, put in a ceiling fan, you've got that option. This is gonna be your secondary bathroom right here. Single sink vanity, same cabinets, same white shaker cabinets, same white quartz top as you have in the kitchen, and then a toilet and tub shower combo. And then this bedroom is gonna be listed as bedroom 2 on the floor plan. This is gonna come in at 10.1 by 11.7. Standard closet with an outswing door, recessed light, nice window right there. And then we're gonna go look at bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is gonna come in at 10.1 by 13.9. So this bedroom right here, bedroom 2, is probably the smallest bedroom in the home. So this bedroom is a little bit bigger, different shape, also full closet, recessed can light that you could mount a fan to. Now let's go take a look at the lanai and then talk about some of the things that make Venetian unique. Now the Harper does have a covered lanai, but as you can see, this is a smaller lanai space. It's gonna be about 6 feet wide by 10 foot deep. So if you're looking for something with a larger covered lanai, that's where the homes in the 40-foot collection are gonna come into play, the Cali, the Aria, or the Lakeside. If you guys wanna tour those, I've actually got tours of those linked up, or you can just reach out to us and we'll get you the most up-to-date information on pricing and incentives. I know this is the part that you've stuck around to see. The Harper that we're in here in Venetian Grove starts as low as $338,000. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, single-story home in Vero with no CDD, this is gonna be a great opportunity. Now they've got waterfront and non-waterfront home sites. As I mentioned earlier, there's no CDD. The HOA here in Venetian Grove is gonna come in at $207 a month for the single family homes. That includes lawn care. They also have townhomes here. So if you're interested in townhomes, we're gonna go tour those here in just a minute. So make sure you stick around for that. But the townhome HOAs are gonna come in actually at $135 per month. And one of the things that I think is unique about this community is when this HOA is turned over to the homeowners do not have to purchase the amenity center from the developer. And that's something that's really important to know because that's when we typically see a huge increase in HOA fees. Now, the incentives that are being offered right now on homes like this are $15,000 towards closing costs, and you can get a fixed rate FHA, VA, or conventional loan at 4.99%. If you're looking to be a little bit more aggressive, they also have adjustable rate mortgages at a 3.875. Now there are some parameters on those adjustable rates on how much they can adjust and where they're capped. So make sure you understand that beforehand. And of course, pricing and incentives change all the time. So make sure you reach out to us for the most up-to-date info on pricing and the best incentives available. And as I mentioned, if you want a really good deal, we've got some secrets we can share with you that the builders don't necessarily tell you. Now we're gonna go tour Venetian Grove and the townhomes. If you wanna join us for that, you can do that right here. I'll see you there.